Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows 11 cannot open Windows security. First method is click Start, Settings, click Apps and Features. Type Windows Security in search bar. Click three dots, click Advanced Options. Click Repair. Click Reset. Second method is type PowerShell in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Copy command from description and paste it. Exit and restart system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.